good morning. It's me, your science teacher from NPABSAN Kaski. Dear friend, hope you are at home. Today I am here to continue your previous lesson, lesson 2 from chemistry, isn't it? We are already discussed about some related term from this lesson, chemical reaction. I hope you are clear about the definition of this term, chemical reaction. Chemical reactions means the composition, decomposition, displacement, composition, decomposition and displacement of atoms or molecule. Hope you are clear about the term atoms and molecule in your previous class, isn't it? Hi student, we are also discussed about the two types of chemical reactions in our previous class. Mostly we are discussed two types of chemical reaction. They are, first one is odd equation and chemical equation. Mostly at first we are discussed about the odd equation. Odd equations means those equations which are written in the form of odd. For example, hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives water. It is the example of odd equation, isn't it? Okay. When this equation or this odd can be changed into the molecular form, which is called the formula equation or chemical equation. It is very easy for you, I hope. You can change this one into the formula equation. You can change? Yes, you can change. Try to change. Please, try to change it. Do fast. Okay, yeah, complete it. Look here. Hydrogen, H2, oxygen, O2, it gives H2O, isn't it? And then we are discuss about the this equation. This equation is called the scalar equation or a unbalanced equation. Unbalanced equations means those equations which have the number of atoms or molecules are in a reactant are not equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product. I hope you are clear about the term reactant and product in a chemical reactions. Reactant means this side or the left hand side of these arrows, which is called the reactant. These are called the reactant and these are called the product, isn't it? Reactant and product. Okay, number of atoms or molecules in a reactant are equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product are called balanced chemical equation. If number of atoms or molecules in a reactant are not equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product are called unbalanced chemical equation. We are discussed in our previous class 9 also. And in class 9 we are also discuss little bit about method of balancing the chemical reaction or chemical equation. At first we are made equal metals, non-metals, oxygen and hydrogen, etc. We are discussed in our previous class 9. Hope you are remember it. Okay, student. Now we are turns to the types of chemical reaction. There are the many types of chemical reactions are found in our environment. First one is combination reaction. Look here, just for example, it's not, I think that it is not difficult for you to write in a chemical form. Hope. H2 plus O2, it gives H2O. This is the combination unbalanced equation. When the number of atoms or molecules in a reactant atoms or molecules in a product are not equals, isn't it? Okay. Make balance it at first. Number of oxygen 2, here is number of oxygen 1. You should put 2 here. Number of oxygen 2, number of oxygen 2. We first chose the oxygen because here is no metal and no non-metals. So that there is no metals, so that we choose oxygen. In the second last stage, we should balance the oxygen, and the last stage we should balance hydrogen. Look here, number of hydrogen 2 into 2, 4. Here is only 2. You put 2 here. It is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. Number 2. Number 2 is decomposition reaction. What is the decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which the single compound is decomposed to form a 2 or more than 2 product, isn't it? 2 or more than 2 product. So, starts of chemical reaction is called decomposition reaction. Just for example, PbO. Pb, it is lead. PbO, lead oxide, isn't it? It decomposed when the PbO is heated to give Pb plus O2. When it is heated to give Pb plus O2. I hope you are remember in your class 9, we should put the some notice, we should put the some things in after the completions of our chemical reactions. Likewise, this arrows is put in here because it is the gas, isn't it? I put the S, L, AQ, etc. S means solid. When the object is solid or a chemical compound is in the form of solid, in that case we use S. When the chemical compound is in liquid, we put L. And when the chemical compound is in the aqueous form, we put AQ in our chemical reactions. More information we are discussed in your class 9. We have discussed in your class 9 more information from the chemical equations in that terms, isn't it? Okay, student. Balance it, count it. At first, metal Pb, number of Pb is 1, number of Pb is 1. And the second last, we should balance the oxygen. Number of oxygen in the product is 2, and the number of oxygen in the reactant, so only 1. Please put 2 here, isn't it? In that case, don't put here 2. It is wrong, isn't it? We should put 2. We should put, please, right here, 2. Number of oxygen, balance, but number of Pb, here is only 1 in a product, but in a reactant, here is only, here is 2 number of Pb. So that, put here 2, isn't it? It is, look here is the only one reactant, but we get the more than one product, which is the decomposition reaction, isn't it? Okay, it's right. It is called DE. Decomposition reaction. Number third means the displacement reactions. Displacement reaction. So divide these reactions into the 2 types. They are single displacement and double displacement. Single displacement and double. Single displacement and double displacement. Displacement, what is the displacement reaction? What is the displacement reaction? Displacement. Change the place. Change place. Displace means change place. For example, for definition, The chemical reaction in which an atoms or group of atoms in the molecule is displaced by the another atoms or a group of atoms. In a chemical reaction, the atoms or group of atoms, either atoms or group of atoms, is displaced by another one atoms or group of atoms, which is called the displacement reaction. Isn't it? The atoms or group of atoms is displaced by another one atoms or group of atoms, which is called the displacement reaction. Hasn't it? Okay, student. Before completion this displacement reaction, please look here. It is the displacement reaction is most important for you because of your examination. Take care. First one is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. Let's discuss from the example. One example. Zn. One example. Look here. Zn plus H2SO4. Do you know the name of this compound? Do you know? You know? Okay. Zn means zinc. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. H2 hydrogen, SO4 sulfate. Hydrogen sulfate or sulfuric acid. It gives zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus H2. ZnSO4 plus H2. H2 is the gas, so that we put such types of sign in there, isn't it? Okay, student, look here once time. From these two compounds, we have discussed the displacement. Displacement means the atoms or group of atoms is replaced by the another atoms or group of atoms, isn't it? We have divided these displacement reactions into the two types. They are the single displacement and the double displacement. We are in the single displacement. Single displacement. Single displacement means when the only one atoms or a group of atoms is replaced. Only one atoms or a group of atoms is replaced by which is called the to form replaced and to form a product, which is called the single displacement reaction, isn't it? Okay, student. In these chemical reactions, an atoms in a molecule is replaced by the other atoms from the end product. The atoms are a molecule which is replaced to form a product, isn't it? Okay, student. Look here. Here is the Zn. Zn is it replaces the H2 and form the ZnSO4. It is the single displacement reaction. Clear? You are clear? Okay. Number 2, number second I, it is the number I. Number 3, number I, number second I. Second I is the double displacement reaction. The reaction in which the compound react together to form the two other compound by the mutual exchange. The reaction in which the two compounds are combined together. Two compounds, not atoms. Two compounds, not a molecule, not a single molecule. Two compounds are react together or mutually. They are react mutually to form the another two compound by exchanging it, isn't it? So types of chemical reaction are called double displacement reaction. You are clear? Okay. The reaction in which the two compounds react together. The reaction in which the two compounds are react together to form the two others compound by a mutual exchange. What is the meaning of mutual? Mutual. Exactly or equally. Two compound in the equal part. Likewise, etc. Mutually. Two compounds are mutually react. For example, write one example. Silver nitrate react is with sodium chloride. NaCl. It gives, we are already told in definition, two compounds are mutually react to form the another one two compounds. Two compounds are mutually react to form another two compound by exchanging it, which is called the double displacement reaction, isn't it? Okay, student. Ag, first one, it is the second one, it is the first one, it is the second one. Look here, first compound, first element, first compound, second element, second compound, first element, second compound, second element. When the first element of a first compound or a first molecule of a first compound or a first electrons of a first compound is react to it, second compound or second one, isn't it? This one is react with it, combine it with Cl. It gives AgCl. Simply AgCl, isn't it? And the remaining two, second compound, first one, it gives NaNO3, isn't it? Okay, right here, plus NaNO3. Look, check it once time, check it, is it right? First compound, second compound, first compound, first element, second compound, second element, to gives AgCl. First compound, second element, second compound, first element, to gives NaNO3. Please remember one thing. Always we should put in a product first compound in a first place. For example, it is the first element of first compound, we should write the first element of a first compound of product. It is the first element of second compound, we should write the first element of a second compound in a product, isn't it? I hope you are clear how to write the or formulate the chemical equation, isn't it? Okay, student. Our second work is balance this chemical equation. Please balance it. Balance means to make the number of atoms or molecules in a reactant and a product. Count the number of atoms or molecules in a reactant and number of atoms or molecule in a product. Please count the. At first, count the metals and non-metals, others one, and at last, second last, you should count the oxygen, and at last, you should count the hydrogen, isn't it? I hope this is the balanced chemical equation. Why it is called the balanced chemical equation? Maybe asked in your examination. Look here, Ag, here is 1, Ag, here is also 1. Equal? Okay. NO3, 1, NO3, 1. It is also equal. Na, 1, Na, 1. It is also equal. Cl1, Cl1. Number of atoms or molecules in a reactant are equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product. So that it is called balanced chemical equation. And it is also called the double displacement. Double displacement. Why this is called the single displacement and why this is called the double displacement? Double displacement means when two atoms or two compounds are react mutually, that for case to form a and the two compounds by exchanging of a molecule which are contains in a atom, isn't it? Okay, student. I hope you are clear about the single displacement and double displacement. Okay. Now we have the another one types of chemical equation which is called the acid and base reaction. Acid base reaction is also called the double displacement reaction or a neutralization reaction. I hope. Look here. Dear friend, please look here. Next one is Acid. What is acid? Those chemical compound which dissolve in water to give the hydrogen positive ions in general. We are discussing in our lower level, isn't it? Yeah, is it right? It is the exact definitions in the science. No problems, you can write it. We are discussing our next lesson, acid, base and salt, about the definition, isn't it? And some example of acid, some example of base. And also salt, we are discussing in our next lesson. Yeah, okay. Now we are turns to the acid and base reaction. What is the acid base reaction? Acid base reaction. Next one, number 4. Acid base reaction. What is the acid base reaction? When the acid is react with a base. When acid react with a base, it gives salt and water. Salt and water, which is called the acid base reaction. For example, look here. You remember one acid? HCl. It is the easiest to remember us. Plus HCl plus NaOH. HCl plus NaOH. It gives salt. First compound is salt. Salt means there is neither contains the acidic properties nor contains the basic properties in general. But you don't think every salt has not contains the acid properties or basic properties. Some salt has contains the acidic properties, they are called the acidic salt. Some salt has contains the basic properties, they are called the basic salt. We are discuss these terms in our next lesson, acid, base and salt, isn't it? Okay, student. First one is salt, or how our previous things to balance this first one, this second one, NaCl, isn't it? Na plus Cl, NaCl plus H2, 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 salt and water, which is called the acid-base reactions. Acid-base reactions, in it an acid react with the base in which the characteristics or properties of the both of them are destroyed or neutralized. In an acid-base reaction, when this compound is dissolved in water, it gives the hydrogen positive ions. It gives hydrogen positive ions. When the compound is dissolved in a water, it gives the hydroxide ion, OH minus ion, OH negative ions. In that case, when these two are react each others, this compound loses the properties of acid, this compound loses the properties of base to form a neutral compound. This compound is called the neutral compound or salt. Mostly salt are called the neutral compounds. So that acid-base reactions is called the neutralization reactions. Look here, in this reaction, here is no hydrogen atom and no hydroxide atoms or hydroxide compounds. Isn't it? Okay. I hope you are clear. And next one is this reactions is called acid-base reactions or neutralization reactions. Again, you are clear about this one. Now we are going to write the sum. This reaction is also called the double displacement reactions. Please remember it. Okay, student? Okay. Now we are turns to remember the some things very important for the chemical reactions. Let in generalized form. If A and B are compounds, in that case A, B, C and D लिखो ना. A, B, C and D are compounds. Chemical compound. In that case, number 1, we will discuss combination reaction. If A plus B gives AB, when the two reactant combine to form a single product, which is called the combination reaction. Number 2, decomposition. reaction, decomposition reaction, decomposition reaction. AB react gives the A plus B. It is called the decomposition reaction, isn't it? Number 3, displacement. Single, double, single and double, single displacement, AB plus C, it gives AC plus B, AC or BC plus CB plus A. Double displacement AB plus CD, it gives this one, AC plus this one, BD, AC plus BD, isn't it? Okay. Next one is acid base reaction. Acid. Let me know A is the acid, B is the base. Let me know. Let us remember. If A is acid, B is base, isn't it? In that case, A plus B, it gives salt plus water. Salt plus water. The one compound is formed, salt and water, hasn't it? I hope you are clear about the chemical reaction and its types, hasn't it? Okay, student. Now we have discussed a little bit about the chemical reactions in these reactions. These reactions are affected by some different factors. Factors affecting the chemical reactions, or some factors which are affect the chemical reaction. First one is the surface area. Surface area affect the chemical reaction. Second one is the catalyst. Third one is pressure, and fourth one is heat. Isn't it? Catalyst. What is the catalyst? Those chemical compound which increase or decrease the rate of chemical reaction. Those chemical reaction which increase or decrease the rate of chemical reaction. But remember one thing, it does not take part in a chemical reaction. It does not take parts in a chemical reaction. It only increase, it does not participate in a chemical reaction. It only increase or decrease the rate of chemical reactions, which is called the catalyst. I hope you are understood today's class. We will continue this about the details of these factors in our next class. Hope you stay home, you stay safe. Thank you.